mad at me. I know I haven't showed you a Mustang yet. I'm looking. But when I see deals, I want to share them with you. So let's take a look at a 65 Olds 442 rolling project. And in my opinion, a very good price. You guys who don't love Oldsmobiles, let me know. Here it is. I'm going to show you from the trailer because he doesn't want to get it wet. It's primered. You never want to get a primered car wet because the primer goes right through, and the water goes right through the primer and creates surface rust under the paint, and you got to sand the whole damn thing down. I know this from very hard experience. Let's check it out.
It's a show called MustangMedic, but it will be tagged with your actual brand of car, so we'll bring those people in.
Okay.
65 Olds 442 rolling project auto. Wait, what does this stand for? PS. Help me out. PS. Just they won't see you. Just say it out loud.
442.
No, the PSPB air car.
Oh,
What's the PSPB?
Power steering, power brake.
Power steering, power brake, air
conditioning.
Air conditioned car. So if you want to go fast and be cool, it's $6,000 or best offer. 610-209-4515. Again, this has been a public service announcement from MustangMedic. I'm looking for Mustang guys, but I know somebody is going to love this car. Somebody's got a memory of being 18 or 19 or 20 driving this car around, and they are going to have it at this price. He's laughing because he knows it's true. It's all about finding the right buyer. If you want to get good money in an auction, you need two bidders, not one. If you got one bidder and you're in an auction, you ain't making money. You need two to tango. He's still laughing. I didn't put you on video. He's still laughing. He doesn't want to be on video. I respect that, but check it out. That's called straight lines. That's straight lines. It's got parts in the back. Nice car. I like it. You have to be able to visualize a car. Just imagine. What color? What's the original color in the car?
It was white.
Oh, it's white?
It was white.
Oldsmobile white? It's an off-white? Similar to Wimbledon white? Isn't it an off-white?
It's pretty white.
But it's off-white. A little bit. Yeah, Oldsmobile white. So I think white accentuates the body even more. The lighter the car, that's why the grabber red and grabber blue and grabber green look so good, because when you got a pretty body, you want to show it off. I think you women agree.
Okay, you've put up with me inside looking at rare parts, no Mustangs. You've put up with me in the rain, just talking about an Oldsmobile, no Mustangs. But guess what? Dun, dun, dun! I found a Mustang. And you know I like the big bottom girls. I keep saying that, I'm sorry. It's inappropriate, but I just like this car. I don't know why.
My old truck ain't good enough.
What? What was that?
My old truck ain't good enough.
Oh, well, the old truck's good too. Oh, hold on. There's an F100 Ranger. I'll show that too. I'm fair. We're fair and balanced here at MustangMedic. All right, we're gonna show the. I just got photobombed. I didn't hit you with my head, did I? I hope not. I'm buying parts off of him.
Hello.
That guy photobombed me over there. That guy there. You guys are characters. I get a discount for that. All right, so I've talked enough. You're sick of me talking. Here's the truck and here's the Mustang.
All right, do you want to tell us about your truck since you called me out on it? He wants to talk about his truck.
I don't have to talk about it.
You don't want to say anything about it?
79 F100 Ranger last year, the full size.
How much? How much you asking?
11.5.
11.5?
Yeah, it's all redone.
All right, well there it is. There's the information. If you want this truck, call them. Tell them MustangMedics. Why are you shutting the hood?
Just to lower it down.
Oh, you're lowering it down?
So you can get a good look at it from the front.
Wait, you gotta lift it one more time.
It looks better.
You're
with
not
the
hiding
hood
the
down.
engine on me, are you?
No, it looks better with
Open
the
that
hood
hood.
down.
Let me see under the hood. Shutting the hood when I walk up to the hood. There you go. And that is my guess.
302.
It's a
4 barrel.
302.
302 4 barrel. Brand new.
302 4 barrel.
Yeah, go.